Got to remove some stuff out of the way to get to it. What am I doing? What am I doing? Don't do this to me today. Do not. Thank you. Oh. Get off there. Nothing like a full day of work just to come home, work on this. Been driving the green turd over there. Will that give me any room? Maybe. Just maybe. No, it's not. Alright. Oh no, maybe it did. Yeah, screw it. We got enough room. We'll make it work. That's a funny bolt size. Yay! So we gotta change that. That right there. This piece. Map sensor. I already unplugged it. It actually started running better when I unplugged it, so really think that's the problem right there. We shall see. We shall see. What? I don't know what's that. Alright. I think I finally found it. So we'll see.
Oh, yeah. Here we go.
Maybe. Piece of dookie. This truck is getting on my nerves already. Oh. That ain't gonna work. 7mm wrench. Dude! Please be. One of these random sizes I have in my hand. Hello? No, I have to eat that thing. These are all the same size. You gotta be kidding. By the grace of God, we're gonna figure this out. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
We got it. We got it.
Don't get frustrated. Big deep breaths. Nice and calm. Nice and calm. All right. There she is. There she is. Alright. Here's the new one. Nice and shiny.
Shiny. Shiny, shiny, shiny.
I'm missing that one piece. Hold on. Not sure how this goes in there. Well, like so, maybe. Is that in the way? Nah, fam. Oh, there we go. Is that even supposed to be on there? Whatever. She plugged in. Now, I'm gonna try to get these bolt holes on back up. Before I lose it today. These are not long enough. You gotta be kidding me. What? Did it go underneath there, guys? Did it? No, ain't no dang way it went underneath there. No. No. Alright. Well, we're back. I don't really trust the depth of these things, but pretty sad. And being the dum-dum that I am, Done already threw away the other ones, but look at that thread, man. Ain't got but one thread. That's ridiculous. What are these parts coming back? Man, I'm telling you. Parts made in China. Get in there, baby.
Baby. Please, baby.
You know what? That's going to have to work. I don't know how that thread works, but we're doing it. That ain't hardly anything at all. Ah. Oh, puppy. Yeah. Yeah. That's frustrating. So we got the new one on. New throttle position sensor on the truck. So now we got to put that puppy back on. Almost thought I lost this. What's gonna have to do? Hopefully, should start right back up. So if not, we're gonna have another problem. So do you see the metal shavings right there, boy? Oh, she stripped out anyway. There. Alright, so we said screw it on the knock sensor. She's dangling up in there somewhere. Oh, right there. The old one, it fell apart. So we're not going to worry about that today. And then, got a new map sensor in there, up underneath there. So, fingers crossed, truck starts. Please. Please. Please.
Please start for me.
Yeah. Screw a knock sensor. Who needs one? Not this bad boy. Not this... Ah! Oh, I tell you what, nothing like replacing a part. And everything just like runs so much better. Like I just felt like I lost so much power. This is a map sensor. 1000%. 1000%. Oh, yes! Fuck!